a laser beam has intensity of 4 into 10 power 14 watt per meter square. The amplitude of magnetic field associated with beam is, in Tesla, we have to find the amplitude of magnetic field. So this is an electromagnetic wave question and is related to the intensity over here. So we can write intensity I average. This will be equal to U average into C. So here this I average is given 4.0 into 10 to the power 14 is equal to U average, we can write B naught square by 2 mu naught, that is the average energy density over here, into C, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8. Now in this we can put the value of mu naught. So we'll get 4.0 into 10 to the power 14 is equal to B naught square by 2 mu naught. That mu naught we can substitute in this mu naught value. Here we can substitute the value of mu naught, that is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 into 3 into 10 to the power 8. So from here we can calculate the value of B naught. If you solve it, it become what? Under root of B naught square we have. So you can find B naught. This will comes out 32 pi upon 30, which is equal to 1.83. So you can say that is option 1.
Share this with your friends and on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to the Narayana Group for daily solutions and complete JEE updates.